Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking when I say I don't think I can.
My top is low-key crooked. There we go. There we go. Good enough. Hey guys, it's Serena. And in today's video, and in today's video, I'm going to be filming a makeup tutorial on this look I created right here. This is my breast cancer awareness look, and I do have some family members that, you know, were diagnosed with breast cancer and that have thankfully survived it, you know, and just people that I know and like everything like that. So I did want to incorporate a tutorial. I posted this look on Instagram and Snapchat, and so many of you guys wanted me to do a look on it for YouTube and stuff, so I delivered. But yeah, you guys, also a little bit of a side note, I did not cut my hair, but I did want to like pin it back just to see how it would look if I did cut it, because back like 2 years ago, if you guys were following me, I did cut my hair like this short, but then, you know, I switched it back to long. So yeah, I don't know if I should cut it. Let me know in the comments below. I'm kind of digging it. Like, I like the short hair. It makes me look a little bit more mature, if you dig what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm feeling it kind of. So let me know in the comments below if you guys like the short hair on me or if I should just keep it long. But yeah guys, before you watch this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and also comment down below any video ideas you guys have for me, or if you guys want to recreate this look, tag me in any posts on social media. So make sure you guys follow me. All of my @names and socials will be down below in the down bar, linked, as well as at the end card of this video. And be sure to click that bell notification button when you guys do subscribe so you're notified every single time I post a video. And without further ado, let's just get started with this breast cancer awareness makeup look. Hey guys, so first getting started with this look, my base is basically already done. I'm just going to be hopping into my eyes. So I'm going to be taking my Morphe 35B palette, and sadly this palette is discontinued, I believe, but you can also use the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette to complete this look as well. But I'm just taking that light pink shade in the left hand corner on an ABH blending brush and putting that in my crease and kind of winging it out to make it like a cut crease kind of look. Then going back into the palette again, I'm taking that kind of like medium pink shade. You guys will see the little emoji will be on it, but I'm taking that pink shade and just doing the same thing I did with the light pink shade with the same ABH brush. Just keep on adding the same, like, not same, just keep on adding the different pink colors on top of each other to layer to make like a pink smoky eye, and make sure to wing it out so we'll be able to cut the crease. And then I'm taking the shade right below it. It's that hot pink shade. It's a really bright one, and I'm taking it on the same brush, doing the same thing. All these colors are doing the same thing. Then lastly, I'm taking that dark pink, like violet kind of shade, and putting that on top. It's not violet, maybe it's like cranberry-ish, I don't know, you guys will see, but doing the same thing. It's repetitive, but it'll look cute, trust. Then I'm just making sure to take a clean blending brush and going back into that light pink shade and putting it on top of the, like, underneath my brow bone, just to blend out all of those eyeshadows, and so there's no harsh lines up there. Then I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C1 and taking a little break with my little Arizona or whatever. But I am taking the C1 concealer from the Makeup Revolution brand, and I'm using the Morphe M224 brush and just cutting out my crease. I'm cutting my crease halfway, as you guys will see. I wanted to like make sure this part was really detailed for you guys, so I'm cutting my crease halfway, and I'm using this concealer because it's a very white shade, so it'll make the color appear brighter. But then when you get to the end of your like corner of your eye, I'm winging it out to kind of follow my eyeshadow. I'm not taking it all the way to make a full cut crease, but I'm kind of winging it out like in like a bat kind of wing, like a tail kind of. So you guys will see, just leave some space for shadow at the bottom and at the top, so it's still like winging out like an eyeliner, but it's not covering the full bottom shadow, if you get what I'm saying. Then I'm hopping into my Norvina palette and taking the shimmery pink shade called Wild Child. And I'm spraying my brush first just so it gets a little bit more pigmented, and I'm putting this shade on here. This shade actually wasn't the best in my opinion. It had a lot of fallout, so if you guys have any other light pink shades or shimmery colors that you guys want to use, do that, because this one wasn't the best, but it's what I had. So I'm taking that. Then I'm going back into the 35B palette and taking that purpley pink shimmery shade and putting it on top just so it doesn't look too patchy and it just looks a little bit brighter. Then I'm going back into the 35B palette. Sorry guys, it's really repetitive, but it'll look cute in the end. And I'm taking my Sigma brush. This is the Sigma Blending E36, and I'm making sure to dip back into those dark pink shades and going on the outer and upper corners of my eye to make it darker and blend together. Then I'm taking my NYX glitter glue and my super glitters in the shade Pink Kisses, and I'm just stamping the glitter glue on there first with an eyebrow angled brush, and then I'm going to be taking the glitter, like the loose glitter, and just stamping it on top. You guys can use a glitter like liquid liner if you have one or anything like that, but I didn't have a pink glitter liner, so I'm just going to kind of make my own and just stamp on the glitter onto the primer. So I'm doing that only on the top of the cut crease. Then I'm just doing the same thing that I did to the top lid to my bottom lid, taking those same light pink shades and then following up with a dark pink. I'm just taking all of those shades and blending them on my lower lash line like I did my upper lid. Then just so that like I can take the fallout away, I'm taking a little bit of baking powder and swiping it underneath my eyes and just letting it sit there for a minute and wiping it away so all that excess powder can come off. Then I'm putting on some lashes. They will be all linked down below in the down bar. And then for my like bottom lower lash line, I'm kind of making my own like liner. So I'm taking the NYX white base, the cream one in the pot, and then some pink eyeshadow from MAC. You guys can use any pink you guys have. And I'm just mixing them together and putting them on my lower lash line to create a pink liner since I didn't have one for my waterline. So that's a good idea. You guys can make your own if you guys don't have one like I did. And then I'm just dipping back into the Norvina palette and taking that pink shade and putting it on my brow bone and my lower or my inner corner. Then I'm going into my ABH Ultimate Glow Kit and I'm taking that Snow shade and putting it right on top of that shade I used in my inner corner previously from the Norvina palette, just to make it a little bit more whiter and brighter, if you know what I'm saying. Then I'm taking my MAC blush in the shade Desert Rose and putting that on my cheeks. I know if I'm going a little bit too fast, guys, all the products will be down below in the down bar, so don't you worry. Then I'm just taking that same pink like DIY eyeliner I made for my lower waterline and I'm making my little kind of like a ribbon for breast cancer. So the brush I used for this was very precise. It's the Crown Pro brush in the style C514. So I'm taking that brush and making a ribbon. Take your time with this part because it is kind of hard. Just making sure you really detailed with it and take your time. I'm taking my Anastasia Amrezy Hghlighter and I'm putting that on my cheekbones with my Morphe brush. This is the Morphe M510 brush and I'm taking that and putting it all over the place. Y'all know I love my highlight, so I'm putting that on my cheekbones, my nose, everywhere, and then just taking a fluffy brush and blending it all in. Then for lips, I'm taking my NYX Lip Liner in the shade Brown and lining my lips and filling them in a tad bit with that. And for my lipsticks, I'm taking a Too Faced one in the shade, I believe this is Cool Girl, and I'm going to be filling in my lips with it, and then following up with my Anastasia liquid lipstick right in the center in the shade Pure Hollywood. Then I'm just going back with that NYX lip liner and just making sure I cover all the spaces that I got any like lighter lipstick on, just to make sure it blends evenly with my skin tone. Then to finish off the look, I'm taking my Morphe setting spray and spraying my face, and you guys are done.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking when I say I don't think I can.
Alright guys, that's the end of my breast cancer awareness makeup look. But yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. This cause means a lot to me. Knowing that I do have family members and just people in general that, you know, this is a real struggle for. So I wanted to, you know, give my gratitude and do a look. And you guys also can donate. I donated at Ulta, my job. You guys can donate at like literally, I think Jamba Juice, Ulta. There's so many places you guys can do breast cancer walks. I've done that before. Just anything to help for the cause. Posting a look, you know, it may not do much, but you know, it shows your gratitude towards the cause. So whatever you guys want to do to show your appreciation, do that. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click those bell notification buttons to be notified every time I post. And also follow me on all my social media sites. They will all be linked down below in the down bar, as well as the end card of this video. I love you all so much, and if you guys are a survivor of breast cancer or have anybody in your family who is a survivor or even who wasn't, I give my condolences and my gratitude to you guys, because this is not something that's easy to go through or anything like that. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Alright, bye guys!